Hi everybody, I've got egg drop here today and it's almost Easter and we're going to prep our Easter eggs. You can go to the store and buy all sorts of kits. We have several here today, but we're going to try something new. We're going to use some shaving cream and some good old-fashioned food coloring. What we're going to do is spray a bunch of shaving cream into this tray. This is actually a lid to a cake pan, so it's not very deep. It's about 3/4 of an inch deep. That keeps the mess off the countertop and holds the shaving cream. So I'll set this on a tripod. Egg drop here is going to spray this in when I give her the go ahead, and we're going to make this all nice and level. We are back. We're using the brand Barbasol, and this one smells a little funny. Egg drop says over there, but it expands a little bit once it comes out of the can. And now we're just going to use a spatula. Again, that's not edible. Don't eat it. But with the spatula, we're going to spread this out, kind of make it level. You want to try? Yeah. Okay. Pull your sleeves. Roll. I'll add a little bit more. Just like icing a cake. Now that you have it nice and spread out, we're going to use 4 different colors. We're going to use blue, yellow, red, and green, and put drops all over. Here's green. There's blue. There's red. Red's yellow, I guess. The shaving cream is a foam that's going to stick to the egg, and as it sits in the egg, the food coloring will be transferred to the egg. And then after about 10 minutes or so, we can rinse it off and the color transfer is complete. But because we have all these interesting shapes on there, we should get some interesting tie-dye type colors. All right, ready to make a mess?
Yeah.
I'm gonna zoom in on you. So does Mom have a nickname? That's pretty cool. That's really cool. Yeah, it's gonna be messy. Mom, you gotta come try one of these. Come look.
Oh.
Okay, wait. Let me zoom in. Wow. That's amazing. Okay, so you've got a mess, right?
Yeah.
But we're gonna do much more eggs. But look at it. Pick up that egg you did. That is gorgeous. Okay, so with that colored egg, go set it on a tray. And the transfer of the colors has begun. So we've got Mama Hen here who's going to do some things. Lil Egg Drop, you're going to have messy hands, so you might as well just get it done. I'm going to zoom in on one more close-up of one, and then we'll go fast time. So we'll do Mama Hens there. Oh, okay, don't move it around too much. I'm trying to... Nice. So she's using a Q-tip. Look at those colors. Hey, freeze, I want to get a picture. So using a Q-tip, it makes it look like a swirled gumball or a jawbreaker or something. Grab another one. We got 10 or 12 to do.
Mom, can I touch you so I can
Okay, so your egg drop, what's the other kid's called? Tater Tot? Tater Tot, you gotta come do one.
It's so cool.
Come on, midline.
What do you need to study? They stink. The time lapse is over. We did about 13 eggs, and you saw halfway through that we switched to gloves because just in a little bit that food coloring gets in your skin, and you don't want to go around for days without with dirty colored hands. But we left one egg in the actual shaving cream mixture. Hard to tell. It's right there. But the shaving cream will keep the color on in these really interesting swirl patterns onto the egg. So we'll just note the time. Right now it's about 1:34 in the afternoon. We'll give it about 20 minutes to dry, and then we'll rinse this stuff off, and the color should have been transferred to that. So I hope to get some pretty cool design. So the price on this, you're going to pay about $1 for a cheapo can of shaving cream. You're going to pay about $3 for this, but we only use maybe 10% of these. So for $1.50, you can do dozens and dozens of eggs with this cool tie-dye kind of design. All right, my overall impression for these tie-dye shaving cream eggs is that it was a lot of fun. I had a good time with the kids. The longer you leave the eggs in the shaving cream, the deeper the color will be. And probably the less mixing you'll do, the less gray the eggs will be and the more colorful they'll be. These pictures are several different batches we made, and some were great and some were not so great, but it was a good time and it didn't cost a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody.